everyone. Well, we all know that Victoria has a lot of amazing places to explore, a lot of nice things to do, and we at Bolliers.com would certainly recommend Victorian Goldfields Railways as an amazing day trip experience. This heritage, authentic steam train in Castlemaine links the two gold mining cities of Castlemaine and Maldon. Let's take you on a short journey of this amazing steam engine train. Castlemaine is approximately 1.5 hour drive up the Calder Freeway from Melbourne. So hop on with us for a short tour from Castlemaine to Maldon.
Fortunate in this railway, we link two important places. Castlemaine is an incredibly rich gold mining area and a very wealthy town. It's now become very popular.
We are now on our way to Maldon. There are two different experiences offered. One is the posh first class, but this is reserved only for adults and no children are allowed in this carriage. You can choose the Edwardian elegance in the parlour car or Art Deco sophistication in the Pullman Club car, which is air conditioned for your comfort.
So far, it's been excellent. I'm barely 5 minutes on the train and I'm really enjoying it.
It's a delightful ride, very hilly, with a steam train. The carriages we're riding in now are first class, and this is the air-conditioned one with the bar, and the bar is up behind me, and we've got full waiter service for the first-class passengers.
The best part is that you can step outside and admire the scenery from the end viewing platform of the parlour car.
सिर्फ कमी है तो स्टेशन पर चाय 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 की आवाज़ और भीड़.
The other is the excursion class ticket, which is great for family outing. This is great for the kids to experience authentic steam era carriages and experience living history firsthand. You can open the windows, spot the kangaroos, listen to the engine huff and puff up the hills. On the way to Maldon, there is a brief stop at Muckleford, the only intermediate station on the line, and it provides a nice photo op session for the tourists. We have just arrived at Maldon and we're going to get down from the train and check out some tourist attractions.
We're going to the lolly shop.
In 1966, the National Trust classified Maldon as the first notable town in Australia because of its old 1880s, 1890s architecture and the fact that the town was basically original. So now it's become very much a tourist town, but interestingly it keeps that old flavour of what it was back in the days. The old gold mines are very close to town. There's some wonderful shops in town. One of the most famous is the Lolly Shop, which everybody knows about. There's a couple of really good pubs, lots of cafes, beautiful gardens, and a museum or two museums. There's plenty to do in town for that 2.5 hours.
Once you reach Maldon Station, you can hang on to see the incredible engine turntable that moves the rail engine back in the direction to Castlemaine. If you have an adventurous spirit, then you should try riding with the train driver. The view and the experience will simply amaze you.
Regulator. Yeah, brake, like the engine brake.
There's a train brake which has the whole of the train, including the engine. And this here is not a steering wheel, it's our forward and reverse. Thank you.
This certainly provides you with an experience of the golden age of rail travel when the journey was as important as the destination. For us, this was an amazing experience and would highly recommend.